In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to n8n. This will empower you to automate workflows between these two platforms, allowing you to streamline your processes and enhance productivity seamlessly. Let's get started. First, let's head over to n8n. Open your browser and navigate to your n8n workspace. Once there, you'll want to create a new workflow. On the n8n dashboard, you'll typically find this option easily accessible, so go ahead and click on it. Think of a workflow as the backbone of your automation projects, where all the magic of connectivity between different tools happens. Now that you've created your new workflow, it's time to add the trigger node. The trigger node is essential because it defines the starting point of your workflow. This might sound a bit technical, but think of it as setting the alarm that gets the whole chain of events rolling. Begin by clicking to add a new node and look through the options until you find Airtable. Selecting Airtable as your trigger ensures that any changes or actions performed in Airtable can initiate interactions with other services or applications through n8n. Next, you'll need to select the specific action you want to take. This step involves choosing what exactly you want to do with your Airtable data. You might want to update, create, or retrieve records. Whatever you choose here dictates the workflow's function. So if you're looking to interact with data in a specific way, select accordingly and be specific about the choices that will tailor the automation to your needs. Once you've outlined the action you want to take, it's time to connect with your Airtable account. To do this, click on Credential in n8n. This part of the setup allows n8n to interface directly with Airtable using a key-based system to unlock permissions. When you click on the credential option, n8n might display existing credentials, but for a fresh connection, you'll want to click on Create New Credential. Next, select API Key as your method of connection. An API key is essentially a code that grants n8n permission to access your Airtable data securely. Ensure you have the correct API key from your Airtable account at hand before moving on to the next step. Once you have it, copy the API key from your Airtable account and then simply paste your Airtable API key into the field provided in n8n. After pasting the API key, the last step is to click on Save. This confirms your connection, and congratulations, you've successfully linked Airtable to n8n. With these steps complete, your Airtable and n8n are now connected, ready to run the workflow you've crafted. I hope this guide made it easier for you to integrate tools and that you're now inspired to explore more advanced automations. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.